Tyson-Mayweather. We're on our way to Miami. Come with me. What's up? It's your man, Money Mayweather, coming to you live. And, right now we on Air Mayweather. We like to call it the Jet Air Mayweather because, when it's my time, it's money time. Everything we do it over the top, exclusive, big, huge, massive. So, as we slowly pull the money out the bag, so right now, with the money team, my man Rick right here, he chilling. He don't say much. So it's not, it's nothing like riding on the Air Mayweather, big boy private jet. And we do best. That's 700,000. That's 700,000. That's 700,000 right there. And with this, we make, just 300,000. That's $1 million. $1 million private jet.